শান্তি মতো পিঠাটাও খাইতে দিল না। এই সেরি ইংরেজি দুইটা কইতে পারে না, আজকে আই লাভ ইউ কইতে আইছে সেরি।
So today I'm here at village and today we're going to my grandma's home. Here is my aunt over there. Here is my aunt. She is helping me to go to the grandma's house and now I'm making a vlog with you. Over there is the people. I don't know which people is this, but it could be some villagers. And today I'm going to grandma's home to eat some pitas. You know, pita is a delicious food of Bangladeshi's, Bangladeshi's culture. Now I'm entering the room. Yep. Now if I enter the room, I'll get this size of places. And if I enter the room, you're gonna see, wow, amazing village rural arrive, and I'm gonna give an overview to it. Here you can see the kitchen and the goat, and here is its type of village rural life. A vlog. It's gonna be something here. Over there I could see here is my grandma is making food, making pitas. I'm gonna give an overview to it. If you make closure, you can see over there is two goats. I'm making video. Here, if you could see, there is some chicken, and if I go over here, my aunt will be there, and my younger sister will be there. He is so cute, so I'll give a warm touch to him. I love you so much. Wow. I love you. Thank you. Here.
এই সেরি ইংরেজি দুইটা কইতে পারে না, আজকে আই লাভ ইউ কইতে আইছে সেরি।
Aunt's room. Now I'll see that one point grandma's making. Here is the playroom of village, and I'll see what my grandma is making. So my grandma's is making a pita, which is very famous in Bengali culture. Now she will put some water onto the pita's flour. If I close the bead, here is the stone made of soil, and here is she making a dish, and here is the chicken. Oh, I sometimes miss.
আই সেরি আই কি লাগাইছিস কানে আমার ভিডিও করতেছিস শান্তি মতো পিঠাটাও খাইতে দিল না।
So he is so good. And here I could see she is putting some sugar and salt. Now she will put the flour on the water so nicely, and then amazing vibe of village rural life making delicious pitas of Bangladeshis. Here, it's amazing. Okay, we're here. Ow! Chicken. The chicken always wants to bite my leg, but I don't let her. So now she is mixing all of the ingredients to make the famous pitas. Just go away. Okay. Wow. She is mixing all the things. Boobs, thank you, baby. I love you. Here, he is eating some leaves. Want to eat some leaves? No. That's enough for him. You could see some goats over there. Over there I could see a hen and a bathroom as well as rural life. And here she is adding more water. and she is mixing all the ingredients to make a smooth batter of the pitas.
গুঁড়াকে বাইরে রাখি রে
No. Okay, so she is making a batter. And go away, chicken. I don't want you to eat all my pitas.
good kitty. English man.
So people are telling I could go to America, but God knows what will happen. Okay, so here. Okay, so here my grandma put all the things in types of a frame. She now put all the things over here, and now the stove is warming the pitas, and now the delicious pita will be ready within minutes. Over there, if I could see. Over there is so good leaves and plants, surroundings. Let me show you my self view. So I already sweat in this sunny environment, and my grandma is cooking. It's so hard to cook in the sunny weather, so I'm sweating, you could see. And here you can see my grandma is cooking. Do you know what this called? These are called falls for the stove, the soil stove. And here my goat is actually eating. It is my goat. He always wanted to bite my dress, that's why. Gotcha? That's the meaning. So here it's a tube oil. You can always, do it like this. Pump it and the water will come from here. I couldn't go because it's so slippery and gloomy environment. Slippery means you can slip onto it. This types of environment. So she is making more batter now over here. And here she is making a meal. It done? Nope, it's not done. Oh, train is going over there. Where is the train? I couldn't see the train, but train actually goes every day from here today. So you could hear the sound. Okay. So here is the goat. Hi, goat. Hi. Whoops. Just make your head down. So the goat is always disturbing where I make videos. So let's give an overview to it. Where's my aunt? My aunt is not here. Where is he? So over there is my uncle's home beside me. And here's the TV. Now in villages, TV is very popular. Technology is very popular. But over there, if you can see, oh, there is a meow meow. Do you know what meow meow call? It's a cat. But this cat is actually, not well packed or not pet cat. It's a regular cat. Let me show you. I'm making a video of you. How do you feel? How do you feel of making video? Oh my gosh. You don't feel anything? So he wanted to buy it that I am making video of him. He is so shy, and another goat is staring at me like he don't know anything what I'm talking about. Oh, the cake, pita is not well prepared. That's why my grandma is, crunching the rices and go from here. So the chicken always wanted to eat pita, but I don't let her do it. So what do you recommend? Hey, hello chicken. Say hi to my viewers. This is from Hijab and Moshi's channel. Over here, I think the pita is ready. And now my grandma will get out the pita and now I will taste it. amazing, mind-blowing. Over here, this is called cow soup, I think. Yeah, it made of beef soup. Over here is the chicken. As I showed you, here is the goat. Beside it, over there is another garbage stall, everything. And now she is doing everything. I think. And go from here. I don't want you to be here. Here. Here is the rice soup, and here is, the paste of the rice.
কিভাবে কি করবো সব পারি চেষ্টা করলাম আমি তো এমা পিঠে বানাইনি চাল পিঠে এনে মেশিনেতে আমি খালি গুঁড়ো কাটাই করেছি বুঝছো
After a long journey, our pita is now ready. Before that, we've tried a lot of ways to make the perfect pitas, but my grandma failed. But with another rice powder, we finally did and be successful to make another 4 types of pitas. And now my grandma is cleaning the pan, and we made a lot of pitas from now on. I'm also helping my grandma with this. She is making more pitas. It's so tasty if you eat with mustard paste or any fish paste. It's delicious. If you recommend any potato paste, is so good. Like it's so good to eat that way, but I don't recommend. I love eating the raw one, not the raw one without eating or mixing any ingredients, without adding any condiments. I love eating the pitas, in the natural process. Now the pita is ready, and it's ready to end up the video. So delicious pitas and ready. I'm gonna eat them with the mustard and fish paste. Not because I love eating it in a natural way. So keep watching, and if you like this video, press the like button, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon thing for more updates. And comment down below, do you actually like this pitas, or have you ever come in Bangladesh? Comment down below. See you later in the next video. Till then, keep practicing English. Bye.